Hello everyone, it's the Joker fan here. Now, I've got a little Christmas gift for my father. And, sorry it's half opened. I got interrupted the first time I tried to open it, so it's already torn up and everything. But, we're going to continue here. So, we got... First, we should take old Batsy out first. Ooh. How do I take Batman out? Move his cape out of the way would be a start. Oh, how do I get this open? How am I going to get Batman out? He's tied down. Must be the work of the Joker. Or I'm probably going to need some scissors to get him out of this thing. Don't worry, Batman. I'll free you. I can't get him out because I'm going to have to get some scissors, folks. Hold on just a moment. Damn it, heck. Oops, I turned the light off. Sorry about that, guys. But I'm back. Alright. Now, oh man, how am I going to get him open? I've got to lift Batman's cape up, I think. I think that will help. Alright, one of Batman's arms is now loose. Don't think his head is tied down, so we'll go to his other arm and take that off. Take that out. Cut the bat out of here without actually cutting him. Come on, Batsy. Out, hard plastic. Sharp. It hurts. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna have to... I'm not strong enough exactly to rip it. Even though Joker's my favourite, I'm actually taking Batman out first, which is kind of strange. Maybe I thought he'd be the easy one to get out. Ooh, hear that? It's alright. Nothing important broke. Come on, Batman. He's almost out of there. Oh. Must get free to help the citizens of Gotham. God, got him out finally. Ooh. Ooh, good articulation. Let's see. This is very good. He can move his arms. What about the legs? This is Batman. What do you know? He's even his bloody feet have got articulation. That is pretty freaking cool. He can give Joker a real kick, and it would hurt. That's just my dog sniffing at the door. Don't mind him. So we got Batman. Let's make him look. Come on, Batsy. Don't let your cape restrict you from posing. Alright. So, Batman, we'll just stand him over here. I know you can't see him, but we'll just stand him there. Hope he stays there. Okay. Batman's standing at the wall. Now we'll get out the clown prince of crime. Joker! Gotta get Joker out. Can't have Batman without the Joker. Okay, first we'll, I think we'll just snip this bit of plastic here. Come on. Can't wait to see how good Joker's level articulation is. Because he's my favourite. He's got a green stain on his mouth, no doubt. This is the Arkham City Joker. I thought he would look a lot more sickly, but maybe Joker doesn't have a cape, so getting him out is probably going to be a lot easier. Ooh. I'm finally free! I'm ready to take on old Batsy. Let's see, Joker. Let's see, what do we got? Ooh, like this. Come on. Let's see, how good is his articulation? Can he, looks like he can bend his, ooh, yeah. I can make him bend his elbows. Wow, oh, I like this. Yeah. I'm trying to get him to put his hands on his hips. Joker. Ooh, you look good. Joker, he's also, you can move his head. Ooh, he can turn his head around, Exorcist style. He can look up, he can look down. Whoa, this is just probably better than that other Joker figure that I have. Especially since this is the Arkham version. Oh, Joker, his feet. Ooh, his feet are articulated. His legs. Whoa, now this is a good figure. Hello, YouTube. Joker here. Want to sample the Arkham version. Joker here. All right, we'll put Joker next to Batsy, and ooh, better take out their toys. Toys. Ooh, this looks like Batman's grappling hook. Nice. Of course, it doesn't have a, what do you call it? Is it got articulation? I don't think it needs articulation. It's pretty good. Okay, I'll put that by Batman. This thing here, I think, I'm not entirely sure what, some sort of, is it a Batarang? Can it, don't want to snap it, something else. I'm not sure what this thing is. It's like a weird looking Batarang. That can go down by Batman too. What's this one? What's this thing here? Why is it in plastic? Oh. Don't know what this tiny little thingy is. Maybe it goes with the Bat grapple hook gun. And we got a legendary Batarang right here. It doesn't really have any articulation, I don't think. That looks pretty good. Too bad he doesn't have a second one. Now we're gonna get Joker's tools out. Joker has let's see, what's he got? He's got his he's got the gun that he has in the DLC. Let's get that out. Yeah, that looks just like it. That's Joker's gun that he uses in the DLC. I'm not sure. I'm surprised he doesn't have the what do you call it gun? The one full of Titan formula. So we'll put his gun there. And we got his chattering teeth. Doesn't look like, yeah. That one's got its teeth shut. And this one has its teeth open. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, shoot. It just went flying. Where the frig did it go? Something small like that. It'd be devastating if it went missing. It just popped right out. Oh, Oh man, Megs, you idiot. Here it is, right here. Which way is the right way? Yeah, like that. There's the other chattering teeth. It goes right at Joker's side. And what are these right here? These cards, the Joker, Batman, Arkham Asylum. What are these things? Do they come out? Are they some sort of card? I'm not sure what these things are. I'm gonna take them out and see what they are. Ooh. Ah, data file. That's what it is. It's a data file thingy. It's got information about Batman on the back. Interesting. Alright, looks special. So put that at the wall. Now, let's take out Jokers. Ooh. We got Jokers here. Oh, whoopsie. And we'll put that by Joker's side. And these two things, I'm pretty sure they're for posing them. But it's important that we take these out as well. Yep. It's like a pedestal or something. Like, I think that was where Batman's foot goes. And the other one is for Joker. Interesting shape. And here's the other one. Alright. Now, let's see if we can get a good view of them both. Can you see them, guys? There they are. Well, guys, there you have it. There's my Batman and Joker Arkham City, or was it Arkham Asylum? Probably Arkham Asylum, I don't know. I'll say Arkham Asylum. Arkham Asylum, Joker and Batman figures. Very articulated as well. And that's another good point. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And I hope my next video for my channel will be a Joker impressions video. Bye everyone. Keep on smiling.